Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what's new on the Style Showdown update. So we get these items here. You need to play 5 rounds to get these. We have the shoes, the skirt, and then this coat. Then for the set, actually, I think I'm gonna do this first. And then for the set that you get gloves, a dress, as well as a headpiece. So you get the gloves first when you win a round. Then you get this dress and then this headpiece. I'm just going to then take everything off here. Super cute. Now, to win Style Showdown, it is easier if there's only 6 players playing. You'll need a minimum of 6 players. To go to Style Showdown, just select this icon, go to Style Showdown and select yes. Then you are going to basically join this game. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!